Now, to use ChatGPT, it is very easy. It is as simple as A, B, C. Now, one problem about ChatGPT is from we, the end users. If you cannot compose your question very well, then it will be very difficult for you to get an answer to that question you are asking. I beg your pardon. So you must be able to construct your question very well. You must be able to construct your question very well. So without wasting time, we'll just go straight to the point. This is Omatech Digitals, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Now, ChatGPT is an AI software that enables you that generate article for you. All you just need to do is ask ChatGPT a specific question and it will give you the answer. So I will not waste time, we'll just go straight to the point. So first of all, you want to go to Google and type chat.openai.com. chat.openai.com. Now it will take you to this very panel or this page. So the next thing, if you are new, if this is the first time you are using ChatGPT, you are going to sign up. But if this is not your first time, you're just going to log in. So if this is your first time, you click on sign up. I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign up. You put your email and you just follow the instruction. But I always love using continue with Google. So I'm just going to hit continue with Google so that I will just sign up or sign in with my Google account. So I don't need to start creating this and that. So signing in or signing up with Google is automatic. It will take you direct to ChatGPT. Now this is your ChatGPT work environment. So you click next, and you click you are done. This is your ChatGPT environment. Now if you check at my left and you see that I have used ChatGPT to do so many things, so many articles, etc. like that. Now the next thing you are going to do is to ask ChatGPT your question. Like I said, ChatGPT is here to assist you to answer any question you want to ask it. The limitation is the way you compose your question. So you just need to compose your question in the right way. If you ask ChatGPT any question, he's going to give you an answer to that question. Take for instance, I want to ask, what is food? What is food? And you just hit it, and ChatGPT is going to write everything for you, what is food, and it's going to break it down for you. So asking ChatGPT the right question is the best thing to do because it's going to give you the right answer. There is nothing you cannot use ChatGPT for. You can use ChatGPT to write a proposal. You can use ChatGPT to write a CV. You can use ChatGPT to write an article. Take for instance, I want to write, can you write me a 600 words on an article titled My First Day in Nigeria. Now he's going to write me an article on my first day in Nigeria. So there is nothing you can use ChatGPT for. The only issue you have is asking the right question or how you can channel the right question. If you can ask any question, ChatGPT is there to answer you. So you can use ChatGPT to do anything. Like I said, anything you can think of. If you're a web programmer, you can use ChatGPT to write a full website. If you're a business owner, you can use ChatGPT to write a business proposal. I can say, can you write me a business proposal or web? I'm a web developer, so I'm going to use on web development for a school. Now it's going to write me a business proposal on web development for a school. So the thing is, ask the right question. Just you need to think, ask the right question, and ChatGPT is going to give you the answer to your question. So that is everything about ChatGPT. Like I said, ChatGPT is not hard. It is not hard. It is very simple. It is very simple to use, and you can use it to write anything. you can use ChatGPT to write anything you can think of. So once ChatGPT is done writing all this, what you just need to do is copy it, go to your Microsoft Word and format your work. That's all. So in fact, how do you use ChatGPT to make money? This is a bonus tutorial. The way you can use ChatGPT to make money, you can go to any freelancing site like Fiverr. You can go to fiverr.com, create an account with fiverr.com as a content writer, either fiverr.com or Upwork or guru.com. Create an account with them, register as a freelancer, as a content writer, then pitch your gig. Hello, I can write a content for you on any topic, on anything. Then whenever someone buy a gig or gets your gig, all you need to do, carry the topic and come to ChatGPT, paste the topic there. ChatGPT is going to write everything for you. So you can come to Fiverr here, then you can write or become a seller. Become a seller, you apply as a freelancer, and you do any, like you choose your niche. I'm a developer, I'm a designer, anything, I'm a writer. Just click I'm a writer. Under I'm a writer, there are many niches under I'm a writer. So from there, you can start, create your account and start making your money. ChatGPT will make everything easy for you. So once someone purchases your gig, all you need to do, maybe the article is create a new account. Just copy the topic, come back to ChatGPT. Now, can you see ChatGPT is done writing my proposal for me? And this is what I would have paid someone maybe $50 or $70 to do for me. But ChatGPT has done it for me free of charge. So all you need to do, just carry your the topic, just bring it and compose your question in a right way. Can you write an article on create a new account? Is going to write an article for you. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to do anything you want to do. Now, another bonus tutorial, if you want to make money with ChatGPT, it is very easy. You can use ChatGPT to create blog sites and start posting your content and start making your money. So I'm going to stop here. So if you want a tutorial on that, I want you to, go to the comment section and drop, I want that tutorial on how I can make money with ChatGPT. And we are going to run a video on that, on how you can be making money with ChatGPT. If you find this video useful, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to receive it or to see it. Thank you very much. Until I come your way next time, we remain Tech Digitals.